The government's flagship financial inclusion scheme, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, today completed 10 years with more than 53 crore beneficiaries. The National Task Force today held a meeting with State Chief Secretaries and Directors General of Police to discuss short-term measures for the security of medical professionals. The Assam government asserted that necessary steps are being taken by the centre and state government to completely seal the Assam-Bangladesh border. The Joint Committee of Parliament on the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024 has invited views and suggestions from the public, NGOs, experts, stakeholders and institutions. The Paralympics Games 2024 will officially get underway in Paris today and will go on till 8 September.